What is the goal of life, and how can it be achieved?
My whole life I have been telling you, there is no goal. Life is its own goal. There is nothing outside life that you have to achieve. All achievement is the projection of the ego. The very idea of achievement is ambition. What you achieve does not matter. Money, power, knowledge, but these are not in any way going to give you life. In fact, in achieving power, in achieving money, in achieving prestige, in achieving any other ambition, you are losing your life. You are sacrificing your life. You are involved into stupid things. And by the side, the life goes on slipping out of your hands. You will realize it only at the time of death. With his shock that I have been trying to achieve the goal of life and I forgot life itself. The goal is always in the future and life is always here. The goal is always far away. And life is in this very moment. Trying to achieve it, you will miss it. You don't need to try to achieve life. You are alive. Only dead people can have goals. Living people live. Love has no purpose. Beauty has no purpose. Blissfulness has no purpose. Things which are in the category of purpose are mundane. Machines have purpose. Man has no purpose. What is the purpose of dancing and rejoicing and singing and painting and writing poetry? What is the purpose of Michelangelo or Leonardo da Vinci or Picasso? Once somebody asked Picasso, while he was painting, that I have been watching for 2 hours, but I can't see what is the purpose of your painting. Picasso said, I was going to ask you because you have been watching for 2 hours. Perhaps you may have figured it out by now. And he said something really significant. Nobody goes to a rose flower and asks what is the purpose, why you are. And if the rose flower can dance in the wind, in the rain, in the sun, and nobody bothers him about purpose, then why people bother me? I am enjoying painting, that's enough. More than that is not needed. A purposive life is the life of a slave. A life without any purpose is playful. It has immense joy, moment to moment, but it has no tomorrow, no end. It is not going anywhere. It is simply being now and here. I am enjoying myself. My people are enjoying with me. What more is needed? The people who ask these questions, the outsiders, are not aware why they are asking it. Their life has no joy, no sound, no flowering, no fragrance. They are just dragging their life. So naturally the question arises in their mind, what is the purpose? A healthy person never asks, what is the purpose of health? A healthy person never goes to the doctor to inquire, just find out why I am healthy. Only the sick goes to inquire the cause of his sickness. Health is natural, sickness is unnatural. To live joyfully is natural. There is no purpose and no end. It is intrinsically valuable.
Kimse kalmaz derdim